Alright, here we are in my GTI, and I have a problem. Old girl has 210,000 miles on her now. And it's the middle of winter and cold, and fans off. 1, 2, 3, don't work. 4 does work. It's the second time this has happened to me on this car. So, one way you can troubleshoot this is, if it works on 4, but it doesn't work on any other speeds, it is more than likely going to be the blower motor resistor. So that goes down in the passenger footwell. So like I said, it's down here in the passenger footwell. There's going to be 2 tabs, one right here and another one right there. Mine's missing because, 10-year-old Volkswagen with over 200,000 miles. I've been in here a couple times, but there it is right there. And if yours goes bad on you, it's more than likely this. It could be a burnt wire or something, but this part's not super expensive. It's pretty easy to replace, and they're kind of a wear item. I've been going through them. This is now my second one. So pull it out, you just push this tab in, pull it out, and then you squeeze these 2 tabs, which I cannot do with one hand, in order to unplug it. So let me do that real quick. All right, I got that unplugged. Sorry, kind of hard to work with one hand. Ooh, I should probably turn that off. Whoops, I accidentally had it on. Which one's the old one? Oh my god, I forget. There we go, the male one. That's the one I just bought. That one's just a parts store special. It lasts me a couple years. So, plug this in. Okay, so I got that plugged in. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but this little tab goes right back there. You just plug it back in. Oh, sorry. Plug that side in first. And there we go. It is in. There's a hole in the garbage. They're kind of a wear item. This is the second time I've had to replace it. You can see it looks like it melted there. But if it stops working on a particular fan speed, like 1, 2, or 3, all of them, or any combination of them, it's more than likely going to be this unit right here, the blower resistor. Doesn't mean you have a melted wire. It doesn't mean you don't have a melted wire, but it's pretty easy to change. These are inexpensive, so put it back in. Put this back together and we'll test it. Okay, so we got that all put back together. Now, 1, 2, 3. All work. Now, if your car doesn't work on fan speed 4, or any of them, including 4, that means it's probably a blower motor, without checking any of the wiring. But if it works specifically on 4, then it's not a blower motor, because that still works. It's most likely the resistor.